Diabetic Pumpkin Pie. 1 small packet of sugar-free vanilla pudding. 1½ cups of milk, I prefer coconut milk. 1 cup of chopped pumpkin. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of artificial sweetener like xylitol. 1 baked 8-inch pie crust. Place pudding mix in a saucepan. Gradually add milk. Cook and stir over medium heat until mixture comes to a boil. Remove from heat and add pumpkin, spices and sweetener, mix well. Pour into baked crust. Then chill until firm, about 3 hours. For more cool diabetic recipes check out www.